Many believe that the life of an artist is one of hardship and destitution. It doesn't sound very interesting to spend a lot of time designing something that might or might not sell while making a tiny profit if they do. But what if a robot could assist a human artist in producing their work? What if you could produce art in a matter of seconds? Anyone can utilize AI art tool to produce beautiful art by just expressing their visions in simple terms. Many artists are embracing AI technology and seeking methods to integrate it into their creative practices, despite other people's concerns that eventually human artists may be replaced by AI-generated art. I think intelligent artists would see this development in AI as a chance to use it to produce even more imaginative and compelling artwork. As artificial intelligence develops, new options are opening up for aspiring business owners who wish to produce art using AI. There are many ways to profit from AI art, and this is the ideal time to start tapping into them. So, without wasting much time, stick with me till the end of this video, guys, as I take you through the 10 best ways to sell your AI-generated art online. 1. Sell your artwork as stock photos. You may not be aware that Shutterstock just declared a partnership with OpenAI to incorporate AI photos into their database. According to their press release, donors will receive payment for their contributions to the AI art when the photographs are auctioned. You should keep an eye out for when this officially launches. Remember that there are other stock photos websites like Getty and Cuff. The sale of AI photographs on Cuff, however, is not restricted. Nevertheless, there are additional channels for the sale of stock images. Perhaps you put together a collection of 25 to 50 AI-generated stock photographs that are ideal for your target market and offer it to them in exchange for a small sum of money. Alternatively, you could assemble a smaller set and use it as a freebie to encourage people to sign up for your email list. Bloggers and content creators are the obvious target market for this, but ordinary people may be interested in a group of images if they are transformed into humorous quotes or sayings that can be printed out and displayed as wall art. Stock photographers typically earn $0.02 per image per month from their work, compared to pros who get $0.05 to $0.25 per image per month. The earning from royalty-free sales range from $0.1 to $99.5, while those from extended licenses might earn $500. On average, stock photo agencies pay $0.32 for each sale of a royalty-free license. 2. Offer custom art. Since AI art is a relatively new industry, many people will undoubtedly desire some for their homes or as gifts. If you have faith in your ability to create AI art, think about selling customized works. This can entail developing an online form that allows potential clients to enter their requirements, after which you produce a piece based on their responses. You could also collaborate with a local company that could be interested in displaying some AI-generated artwork on its walls, particularly if it's connected to their particular industry or market. For instance, perhaps some body-positive prints would look great on the walls of a brand new women's gym. You may take their ideas, use artificial intelligence to put them into action, and then charge them for the digital files that they send off to be printed and framed. You might even propose charging extra to frame it. 3. Selling prompts. Today, most people produce stunning, intricate digital art, but it is obvious that AI is in charge of the creative process. You must learn how to use the commands properly to make the most of AI. It's crucial to apply complex prompt commands to produce art that looks like others. To establish your unique style, you must practice using commands. 20% of the price you charge for the prompts you sell will be taken by prompt base. You should be aware of the distinctions between basic prompt and advanced committee because they can range in price from $1.99 to $4.99. 4. Create KDP coloring books. Kindle Direct Publishing is known by the acronym KDP. On this platform, you may sell both physical and digital books on Amazon, making some entertaining coloring book pages with Jasper Art or another AI art tool, then assembling them into a single cohesive file. Is one of the preferred uses for AI. Upload it to KDP once it's finished, then decide on pricing. The remaining tasks, such as printing and client shipping, will subsequently be handled by Amazon. 5. Designing new creative characters to develop storylines. People love stories. AI-generated art can be used to design intriguing new characters that can be included in the plots of books, movies, or video games. Take into account those who produce anime and AI-generated art. Selling the characters or props they create is one way for them to be compensated for their efforts. To make these characters even more engaging, one can further augment them with a variety of props. Artists can then utilize these characters to create a book series that they can sell online. One can make money by creating creative writing services using digital art tools in combinations with AI narrative generators. 6. Building engaging websites and mobile apps. Website and mobile apps that appeal to a variety of diverse audiences can be developed with the aid of AI-generated artwork. Artists can use created photos commercially in any way they deem suitable. A growing number of people will be exploring ways to produce AI art as this new technology advances. There will also always be a demand for new and better website designs because there are currently 1.14 billion or more websites online. You might also go about making mobile wallpapers for different screen size and on a certain topic which is related to mobile apps. The secret to success is finding a specialized market prepared to pay for such services. 7. Generating compelling marketing materials. Marketing and creativity go hand in hand. Your marketing materials could benefit from a new design or an entirely new vibe, thanks to AI art. An organizations that specialize in real estate, for instance, would be able to provide more convincing property listings by using AI photos. Therefore, you can tap into these opportunities. Offer private AI art classes or workshops. Online selling platforms have always helped people in disseminating their knowledge and creativity. Since mainstream AI is still a relatively new field, those who are teaching AI art generations on websites like Thinkific and Udemy can start from scratch and be among the first to advertise their expertise. Additionally, one can educate AI art creations by specializing in the portions of this market such as concept art, character design, or landscape painting. Courses on how to employ AI art in conjunctions with conventional art genres to produce original works can also be developed by human artists. It is always in demand to have such a creative and technical skill combination. If you want to generate even more money, you can teach individuals how to use AI tools to create their artwork in private lessons or workshops. In addition to producing ebooks, artists can now use online course platforms to implant their knowledge of art productions, artificial intelligence, and machine learning in the form of tutorials. 9. Serve as a consultant for businesses utilizing AI art. The need for experts who can guide companies in utilizing this technology will only increase as companies realize the effects. AI artwork has on their bottom line. Not everyone wants or has the time to study how an AI art generator works. Because of this, AI artists may also serve as consultants in the field of digital artwork, advising companies on how to develop and use AI artwork strategies. There are many potential customers for digital artwork consultants, including brick-and-mortar companies wishing to deploy AI-generated window displays and businesses with online storefronts that want to develop art to increase their conversion rate. Use websites like Fiverr as an artist to network with companies who require your talents. Get your foot in the door and list your services. 10. Speak about AI art. Because it doesn't use the art itself specifically, this one feels a little bit like a cop-out. However, if you have a wealth of knowledge in this field, whether it be AI writing instruments or art, speaking possibilities are at your fingertips. Speaking for pay at conferences, webinars, or even just giving speeches to neighborhood clubs and organizations are just a few of the many ways you can earn money from speaking. You might also create an online school that instructs people in AI art. Even though artificial intelligence art is still in its infancy, there is already some amazing potentials for creative entrepreneurs to develop new sources of income. It's the ideal time to dive in and begin experimenting. You never know, you might turn out to be the next AI Banksy or Picasso. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more.